Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about the thickness and the conduction, convection and the radiation. Now first we are going to discuss the conduction. Conduction means what? Conduction means if we supply the heat to one end of the rod and it will be transferred to the another end. The mode of the heat transfer is the conduction. Now in the conduction we are considering the heat transfer is due to the lattice vibration, and we can see here due to the vibration the heat transfer takes place. Now rate of heat conduction we can calculate area into temperature difference upon the thickness. So we can say Q conduction is equal to Ka T1 minus T2 upon delta X. Now K is the conductivity, A is the area and delta T, it is T1 minus T2 is the temperature difference. Now here you can find this Ka into delta T upon delta X. Now we can find A is the area, temperature difference T1 minus T2, thickness delta X. Now we can find T1 is the initial temperature and T2 is the final temperature. Now here we are considering which is minus Ka dt upon dx. Why this negative sign comes due to the temperature gradient. This is the negative temperature gradient. So we can find that Q conductivity is equal to minus Ka dt upon dx. Now this shows that in this negative sign comes and this indicates the Fourier law. So in the conduction we can see the transfer of heat due to the lattice vibration. Now next we can see the mode of the heat transfer is the convection. Now in the convection we know that in the convection, suppose we are considering one solid surface. Suppose we are considering this is the duster, and over this duster the heat will be flow. So air will be flows over this duster. Now you can see this is the solid surface and air is flowing over this, and this is the heat transfer of the due to the convection. You can see this is solid media, this is the air media, and the transfer of the heat due to the two different medias over here. So we can say that heat transfer takes place due to the convection. Now in the convection we can see two different media. So in two different media there will be heat transfer takes place. So the best example for the heat transfer in the convection media is we can see in the engines the heat transfer takes place from the fins to the surrounding. Why fins are provided? Because to increase the heat transfer area. So suppose we are considering this is the engine walls and we are providing this fins. Now you can see the heat transfer from the engine towards this fin, and these fins due to the extended surface area the transfer of the heat transferring area is increasing, and you can see as air is blowing over this. So what happened? As air is blowing over this, the heat transfer takes place. So this is the solid media and this is the air media is coming in contact with the fins. And if suppose we are not providing these fins, then what happened? but only this is the area which is coming in contact with the this surface area coming in contact with the air. So convection heat transfer area, we are finding that in the convection heat transfer area, two different. One is the solid, we are considering one example, and another is the air. So between these two areas, heat transfer takes place. Now next we are considering one flat plate, and over this flat plate the liquid will be flows. So what happened? This liquid is flowing over this solid plate, and in this solid plate we are finding the convection of the heat due to the flowing liquid. Now the convective heat transfer coefficient is denoted by letter H, and you can find that this H is different for different material. Suppose we are considering water, it has different convective heat transfer rate. Suppose we are considering oil, it has different convective heat transfer. So this convective heat transfer is depends upon different parameters such as this profile, as we have discussed this fin. Suppose this is a flat surface, then the heat transfer takes place is different. Suppose this is the projectional area, then there is a different heat transfer. So we can find over here different heat transfer. So this area, nature of the area is also important. Then whatever the flowing liquid, upon that also the convective heat transfer depends. Now next is the radiation. Now in the radiation we can find that the sun is provided over here, and sun, this is the object which gives the solar radiation. Now here you can see this is the sun, and which is inside the solar radiation over this object. So though this is opaque area, the solar radiation is transmitted to this object. So what happened? You can see in the radiation there is no requirement of the any media. Solar radiation directly comes in contact with this object. So we have discussed the conduction, convection and the radiation media. So this is the difference between the conduction, convection and the radiation. So in further lectures we are discussing these modes of the heat transfer in details. Thank you.